Hi everybody, DC Crafter here with another haul. This is my second haul from Craftellia this year. They had some decent Black Friday deals on, although I'm not too sure when this will actually get up, because when I do my videos I'm always in advance, and these deals are done anyway by the time it's got to me, so it might actually be January before you even get to see this, but hey ho, you'll get to see it one way or another if you're watching. So let's dive in and see what I got. Well, we've got a nice little lollipop here on my invoice with a thanks with a smiley face. That's cute. And then we've got some little pamphlets there. And as you can see, we've got a box full of stamp area, so let's dive in. So we've got this Allegro selection of acrylic paints, and this was the classic Christmas, and there's lots of different colours in there. So you've got like greens, browns, golds, creams, another brown and a red. Yes, I'm excited to try these paints out because they're meant to be really, really good. And they was actually selling these off. So I then got the Vagabond Awaits collection, and because I've got this actual collection of papers, so I thought, well, I may as well get it. And I did check that this red wasn't the same red in the previous one, so there's no duplicates in any of these. We've got another green, like a sea greeny blue, a turquoise blue, another creamy colour, brown, and another red. And then obviously I had to get this Cosmos one because that's what most of this stuff is the Cosmos Infinity scrapbook papers and stuff. I cannot wait to like get a hold of these properly. So in here we've got a purple, a blue, a lighter blue, that could be a golden colour, I'm not too sure, a silver or a grey, and then a silver. And then we've got the Cosmo Infinity scrapbook papers. Now I'm not going to open these because I will open the bigger pack just so that you can see the papers, because they're just going to be repeats but on a smaller version. And then we've got the ephemera, and it's 300 grams. They don't really ever say how many pieces should be in these, which I find bizarre really. And then we've got the die cuts. It's very difficult to see with the bag as well, I do apologise. But look at that big wolf there. And then we got some of the fabric. Now when I seen this on Create and Craft, the fabric was just so overpriced, but I can't remember what I actually paid to Craftellia, but it was nowhere near Create and Craft's price, hence that's why I ended up buying this. I think this whole lot came to more or less the same price what Create and Craft was selling their bundle for, and I've got a lot more. Then we've got the 10 double-sided faced sheets, which is the 8x8. And then we've got some more die cuts here again, and I would open them, but I just don't want anything going missing. I need to get some boxes to put all this stuff in. And then I've got some of these texture impressions moulding plates. Now I have never ever used anything like this, so I am going to have to learn. And we also got this one here as well that's got, hopefully you can see, it's got like a suns and moons and stars, and it's like zodiac and stuff like that, which I thought went perfectly with this. So if anyone's got any videos they could send me to, or hints and tips and what products to actually use. Do I use soft clay? Is there something else I can use? I don't know, but I had to get it just because while I was putting this order in, these were selling off a lot cheaper than anywhere I could find in the UK. And then we've got 7-piece card collection. So these look really well for inside my mini albums, to as photo mats and stuff like that, journaling posts. And then we've got 10 double face sheet sided, the collectibles, and basically you just got lots of things you can die cut out, not die cut, but you can fussy cut out, which I know what you're saying, she hates fussy cutting, but I will do it for this. And then I actually got some of this Stardust. Now I wished I'd have bought more of this Stardust, because I've since been watching some people on YouTube and it's just blows my mind. It's absolutely beautiful. But we've got it in the Cosmo Magic there. And then we've got the kit, pop-up kit here. So I'm not too sure what this is. I've never had a pop-up kit from Zamperia, but I'm willing to give that a go. And then we've got the background selection of papers, which I will show you shortly. I will get them both out. We'll just go through and get rid of this box first. And then we've got the background selection in the 8x8. And then we've got the actual papers again, which I will show you shortly. And then we've got some other papers. Now I'm not too sure why there's two different papers, but there actually is. So they must have brought out several different styles. So yeah, so there is that, but I will show you. Just gonna get rid of this box. So this is the first one we're going to go with. Let's see how these open, because sometimes they open at the top, sometimes they open at the side. So there's your first pages. So there's the first page, and there's that. You know what, probably best laying it down so you can see it better. Yeah, so these like backgrounds, and we've got like lots of mats and layers, things that we could do for journaling, unless you wanted to use the other side, of course. Oh, actually, that's perfect. So they've actually got, we can perfect for your journaling then, because you've actually got it there. So you'll have your picture, and there's fantastic. I absolutely love this page. I love it all. I'm just so happy that I finally got to have some. So we've got lots of like tags and words stuff there. Love this. And Leonie on Create and Crafted did a lovely project using a box with that, and I thought, yes, I could do something like that. Won't be as good as Leonie's, but hey ho. But yeah, I mean, I love this stag, and this owl is stunning. It's like these are like got like a lilac colour to them rather than the blue tone, I feel, which I really like. You've still got the earthy colours as well. So that's that one. And I'll do the same with this one as well. So this is your first page, and you know what, I'm thinking that maybe I just didn't even notice the purples in this paper when I'd seen it on the TV. I'm not opposed to it, I like purple, so I'm really happy. But just can we take a moment just to appreciate that whole page. I mean, I just wouldn't want to put anything else on it, or I wouldn't want to cover it. This is the issue when you get such beautiful papers. You just don't want to use them. Oh, that is just wow. I love that, and love all these cards, and hopefully they're not got the journaling spots on the back, but at least it's a plain paper. Absolutely gorgeous. It's just beautiful, and this is like full of animals inside there. Absolutely beautiful. I just love them all. Well, that's cool. So we've got some really nice cool patterns on the back of those journaling spots. Has anybody else got this Cosmo papers? Because these are just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So that's that one. And then we've got the backgrounds. Yeah, this is definitely more blue. Wow. Oh my gosh, just look at the definition in there. It's just wow. I am really going to find it difficult to actually use these because they're just so beautiful. I probably want to just keep looking at them. And that's my fear really, that I buy these things, I mean, whoa, that is amazing. And then I never use them because I don't want them gone. But these are just, they're blowing my mind. I mean, they was gorgeous on the TV, but this in person is even better, if that was even possible. And the last thing that was in the box was this item, and this was free. I didn't buy this. Let's get it open. Yeah, so now I've got it open. This actually came free, and apparently a desk tidy. To be honest, I don't think I would ever use it. It's a bit flimsy, but you know what? It could possibly be okay for my paint brushes, maybe, when I'm painting. So I guess I could use it for that, but I don't think... It just reminds me of some kiddie thing, but like I said, it was free, so you can't really complain, can you? So anyway guys, that was actually my haul. I hope you've enjoyed watching this. I definitely have, and I cannot wait to dive in to get to use these. I've just got to really like push myself to do so. But I'd really like to say thank you very much for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and hopefully I shall see you in the next video. Bye.